Pozdravljeni iz Wolfsburga, iz Volkswagenovega mesta, iz mesta, kjer je se rodil hrošč, ampak po hrošču golf. In danes govorimo o golfu GTI. Ta hip se posvetimo eni sami črti, rdeči črti, tej obrobi, ki je nekako zakoličila ime GTI. In seveda bi bilo čudno, da novi golf GTI ne bi imel te rdeče znamenite črte. Ampak nekako novi golf GTI kaže tudi trend, ki se dogaja v oblikovanju avtomobilov. In sicer light is the chrome of the future. Torej, po slovensko, luč je novi krom. Nekako pomeni, da se krom iz avtomobilskega oblikovanja vendarle nekako umika lučem, takšnim LED trakovom. In tudi pri novem golfu GTI je ta rdeča, znamenita rdeča črta dobila novo svetlobno sopotnico. Torej, novi ali originalni? To je to vprašanje. Seveda, treba je začeti na začetku. In začelo se je leta 1975, ko je avtor GTI-ja Anton Konrad dobil od svojih šefov drzen izziv. Rekli so mu, če jih prodaš 5000, potem bo avto ostal v ponudbi, sicer ga bomo črtali. No, 2,3 milijona so jih prodali do konca leta 2019 in avto je seveda postal prava legenda, sprožil novi trend avtomobilov za vsakdanjo rabo, ki pa ima športni karakter. In seveda ta dinamika je izhajala iz 810 kg mase, 81 kW in pa 9 sekundah do 100. Osmi golf je seveda bistveno težji, ampak ponuja tudi 100 kW več, se pravi skupno 181 kW. No, da ne bo treba računati, 245 konjev je to v tistih starih, bolj znanih merskih enotah. Ampak seveda jasno je, da vsi ti podatki dejansko ne dajo neke prave slike, v čem je dejansko prava ekspertiza tega golfa GTI. In da bi lahko to doumeli, moramo seveda v tehniško šolo. Vzemite zvezke in pisala, kajti na koncu bo test.
Now in the GTI we have as a standard the VAQ, our differential lock. Second step is we now have a drive dynamics manager which can predict already before you enter a corner what it's need. So you have an active suspension on the car if you choose the option DCC.
Poglejmo na zadevo bolj konkretno.
The Vehicle Dynamics Manager is an algorithm who sits in the ESC system. With this manager we are able to set up the car individually per corner. And we talk to every single wheel or every single damper. 200 times per second the system is asking about the wheel, how is the traction, how is the speed and everything. Also our XDS is implemented into this system. XDS, our electronical differential lock, or like to say a torque vectoring, allows you to get an initial rotation of the car in tight corners, which helps you as a driver to reduces the understeer, which you don't like as a driver. For example, if you want to go a left corner, the system already knows, all right, we stiffen up the front right damper to get a good reaction of the car, but at the same time we are slowing down or we are braking the left rear wheel to get the initial rotation. And with this system you have the possibility to take much shorter and tighter corners faster, which I can show you in the slalom. You already see that the Mark 7 is using much more way compared to the Mark 8, and now you see when you look to the cone how close I can come to the cone. And now with the Mark 7 there is always a gap between the cone and the car. And of course we make an objective comparison. We take the time in the slalom and the differences in timing. We are tiny little bit faster with the new car.
GTI-ja so s podobnimi vzgibi izpopolnili tudi na strani pogonskega sklopa. Pravkar smo se tukaj na nemških avtocestah privoščili tudi visokohitrostno avtocestno vožnjo, ampak naj vam vseeno povem, da novi Golf 8 GTI je zelo primeren tudi za te slovenske dinamične ceste, za tiste najbolj zaprte, ovinkaste, ozke ceste, kjer od avtomobila zahtevaš eksplozivnost pri najnižjih vrtljajih.
On the Mark 8 we raising up the standard revs when the car is standing still from 850 to 950. This is the standard rev. And when you are on sport, it's from 1000 from the previous model now to 1100, which allows you a better start and better reaction on throttle, so better throttle response. So the torque delivered from the car is very early now. From 1600 RPM, you have the maximum amount of torque, which is 370 newton meters of torque, until 4300 RPM, which allows you a big range for acceleration. And when you release your throttle, that means your car is getting slower. And this amount of getting slower now is bigger than in the previous model on sport mode. When you have this, you have the possibility to reduce the speed even quicker, and this allows you to point the car much better into direction into a corner when you go fast.
A vrnimo se spet na tisti del razvoja, ki omogoča, da lahko te motorne izboljšave dejansko izkoristite, torej k GTI-jevi elektroniki, natančneje k sistemu DCC, ki ga na seznamu doplačil vsekakor odkljukajte. Namreč lahko vam povemo, da so razlike med voznimi programi resnično ekstremne, pravzaprav najbolj, kar smo doslej izkusili. GTI je tako lahko po eni strani avtocestno, recimo kar francosko udoben, že naslednji trenutek pa dirkaško neudoben in hrbtenici neprijazen. In zdaj test. V kateri poziciji sistema DCC lahko dosežete najhitrejše čase na dirkališču, s katerim ste lahko najhitrejši. Verjetno eko niti komfort ne bosta prišla v poštev, ampak šport ima 4 pozicije in zanima nas, v kateri od teh 4 pozicij ste lahko najhitrejši. Odgovore nam je seveda ponudil naš današnji sogovornik Benjamin Leuchter. Naj vam povem, gre za profesionalnega dirkača Volkswagena, ki pa praktično ni samo dirkač, ampak je inženir, ki je aktivno sodeloval pri samem razvoju. Morda že slutite, kam merimo 4 športnimi stopnjami, a predlagamo, da nam rešitev tokratne uganke zaupa naš današnji inštruktor. The DCC in the GTI is different than the DCC in the normal Golf.
Exactly. Not only the DCC, but at the same time also the ESC system we optimize on the GTI. As, for example, if you are driving with full activated ESC system, it's already optimized for more sporty driving range. It allows you a little bit more slip angle compared to the really standard Golf. But then you have the ESC Sport, which even allows you even more slip angle. And then you have the possibility in the GTI, and this is very nice that we have it now, you're really able to switch it full off and you're allowed to also drift with the car.
This is only for the track use.
For sure. And you know, a funny story behind, when we did the testing with this car, my ever fastest lap on our handling track Era Lessine was with ESC Sport. First time with ESC Sport, fastest lap time on track. Because when you switch off the ESC system, it means you really have no system except the ABS working. If you're on ESC Sport, then of course you still have the traction control. And the electronic is so sensitive to the wheels that it always touches the limits of what amount the grip is there. So you can floor, and the electronic will search for the maximum amount of grip and will deliver. And you as a driver can be never so precise than the electronic. And at the same time, with the new Drive Dynamics Manager, you have the possibility to even stiffen up the car even more than on Sport. So you have 3 buttons more to the right on individual. And at this point, when you are really fully to the right-hand side, it's just about driving fun, not anymore about performance, but you as a driver have a lot of fun.
Seveda ima tudi GTI klasične golfovske prednosti. Katere? No, spoznajte jih. In prihaja ID3, električni avto, ki noče biti novi Golf, bo pa vseeno nekoč dobil tudi oznako GTI. In kje lahko GTI-ja potipate? No, lahko tudi v novem Volkswagenovem salonu v Ljubljani, tistem samo razstavnem, ne trgovskem salonu.